Hi, I'm Elise Groves from First Priority Financial. This is Daphne Peterson, the Sonoma County Real Estate Resource, and we'd like to bring you another great home buying tip. Daphne, tell me about contingency removal. What exactly does the word contingency mean? And I've had people ask me that in the past, and so give me your expert opinion on that.
Well, I'll tell you, contingencies are a very important part of the contract. It is basically it's allowing the time period for the buyer to do all their due diligence and to get their loan. There's generally two contingencies: inspection and loan contingency, along with appraisal. So along the way, you'll have a set time period somewhere between, say, 10 and 17 days, sometimes a little bit more, and you start to remove those contingencies. So if you've done all of your inspections, then you would actively remove your contingency, unless, and this is important, you're involved in buying an REO, a bank-owned property. Sometimes those are passive removals, which means that you don't have to do it in writing. It just, if in 10 days you haven't said anything, that contingency is considered removed.
That's important.
And that's very tricky.
That
it's
is very
important,
tricky.
you know.
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
The California Association of Realtors contract is an active removal, and you have to sign on the dotted line, I am removing this contingency. So inspections, you're going to have a certain amount of time to do those and to remove it. Loan and appraisal. Now, when you've released all those contingencies, generally you increase your deposit, and your deposit becomes non-refundable. So that's what's important.
Okay, that's what's important. So everything really in a real estate contract has a timeline.
Exactly.
It has a timeline, and you know, buyers cannot drag their feet. They can't hem and haw. They have a certain amount of time to get things done, and if they don't get them done, well,
you can get a 24-hour, 48-hour notice to perform. And if you don't, then the seller can cancel the contract.
Perfect. Well, Daphne, thank you so much. That is awesome information, because I know that that's one of those oddball words that goes along with real estate contracts. So I hope you found this tip helpful. If you have any questions, certainly we are here for you to answer any questions, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Elise.
You're welcome, Daphne.